आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी में शामिल हुआ हूं और 19 में मैंने कांग्रेस से चुनाव लड़ा था, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं देश के विकास, देश की तरक्की के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी से जुड़ा हूं और मैं इसके लिए लोगों का भला कर सकूं। मैं पहले भी कहते जो गलत को मैंने अभी स्टेज पे बताया कि मैं गलत को गलत कहूँगा, सही को सही कहूँगा और मैं चाहूँगा कि इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी में मैं शामिल होकर बहुत सारे खिलाड़ियों का भला करूँ।
In a significant political development, renowned boxer Vijender Singh joined the Bharatiya Janata Party on Wednesday ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Expressing his commitment to serving the nation, Singh stated, "I have joined the BJP in the interest of the nation and to serve the people. I want to help more and more people." His decision was marked by a formal ceremony at the BJP headquarters in New Delhi, attended by party leaders Vinod Tavade, Ramveer Singh Bidhuri, and Rajiv Babbar. This move comes after Singh's previous stint with the Congress party, where he contested the 2019 Lok Sabha elections from South Delhi, albeit unsuccessfully, losing to BJP's Ramesh Bidhuri. Speculations arose regarding Singh's next political move after he posted a cryptic message on social media hinting at his readiness to align with the public's wishes. Now, with its switch to the BJP, he is being considered as a potential candidate for the upcoming polls. As per PTI, Singh was being considered to contest the upcoming polls as the Congress party's nominee from Mathura, from where BJP MP and actor Hema Malini is contesting again. Singh's transition from sports to politics has been notable, marked by his association with the various political figures and parties. He marched alongside Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during the Bharat Jodo Yatra in Haryana's Karnal and expressed gratitude towards the INC India party and the Gandhi family for the opportunity to serve the country. A celebrated figure in Indian sports, Singh made history by becoming the nation's first ever boxer to win an Olympic medal, securing a bronze at the 2008 Beijing Games. His accolades continued with the bronze medal at the 2009 World Championships and a gold at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. For his contributions, he was honored with the prestigious Padma Shri Award in 2010. However, Singh's sporting journey faced turbulence in 2012 when he was embroiled in a doping scandal, though later acquitted. Despite challenges, Singh's foray into politics signals a new chapter in his quest to serve the nation, especially after joining the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.